It's been a few weeks since I've been out here fishing, probably close to 3 weeks. So we got an upper lake trip. Hoping to find some boils and some topwater, that's for sure. Temperatures are going down though. It's like in the 50s this morning. So see how that affects it. But I, been seeing lots of clips, videos, and posts and stuff still. People catching in boils and so on. But we're gonna be on the hunt. We could always try to catch some shad. We could always do fly core, or just topwater, or just bass fish. Who knows? We'll see what happens. Play it by ear. All right, see you guys in the water. Handling this thing right out of the water. Oh yeah, that's a good one. I was about to cast backwards. Please stay on. Oh, that new mega bass, little junior dog. Ooh, nice one. I think, they all feel good. Oh, it's not enough though. There we go. Straight beyond the topwater on the new mega bass. Nah, just like almost a 2-pounder. I'm gonna get the lip grippers. There he is. All right. Straight piece. All right, first one of the day, topwater on that new mega bass little walking dog. Had like about 3 blow-ups on it, and then finally got one. There you go. I think it's all over the place in random spots. Oh, I lost them. Darn. Some quick little sporadic boils there. I got wet. Caught the one, had 2 on. I got blown up like 4 or 5 times though. I don't know how much of it you'll see, but they're chasing there hard for a second. Just slowed down. But there's random boils all over the place. That was fun though, getting one on that that new mega bass bait right here. Thing's cool. What is it, the little junior dog, mini dog? Got a little feather on the tail though that I added, but the thing walks nice. It's getting smashed. They're missing it a little bit, but I'll take it. All right, we're gonna keep looking. A little different. I got a little Castmaster, a little feather on it. Something different. They haven't been seen as much for the heck of it. There you go, finally. Finally, fish. It's a little bass, I think. Yeah. A little fat guy, though. Finally, guys. Riser. A little fatty. A little fatty on the riser. Nice and fat little dude. Just eating on that bait. All right. Saw those guys spinning up there. On the fly, deceiver fly. Not a big one, but freaking fish. Wild dude. Nice one. Whew. That's a fat guy. Nice one. Let's get the lid gripper. Yeah, look at that fat guy. Heck yeah, that is a fat one. Right. Nice striper on the deceiver fly. Nice fat guy. Just trolling this spot. Bam. Two and a quarter. All right, finally another one. A little bit slow there for a while. Been trolling a lot actually. Not marking tons of fish, but got into this spot and actually marked some good ones. Second pass? Got one on the deceiver fly, the Joe Show fly. So gonna troll a little bit more. Gotta head out pretty soon though, but let's see if we can get another one.